to wash my hair, and then once I'm done, I'm going to be applying my treatment. So I've just washed my hair and I'm going to be applying. See the consistency of it? So it's literally a hair max. So I've made it into a hair treatment max, and I'm just trying to get it into every part of my hair. So it's better to do it in a wet hair because the treatment literally soaks up the entire hair. Alright, so that part is fine too. So I'm gonna put this in a plastic bag. So it's all done and ready to be steamed. I'm gonna use an eating cap on it. And I will be right back. Up to an hour now, and I am about to wash this off, but I'm gonna be using a conditioner to achieve this. I'm gonna be using a conditioner. So I'm doing the other side. I already applied gel to it, so I don't have to do it anymore. And then I'm just gonna brush the side. That's it. The side, and I'm gonna fluff my fro a little bit more. To achieve this curl, I like to put it forward. I am done. My hair has been treated for the next month. Hope you like this video. If you do not forget to share and to subscribe. You see that red bell? If it's still red, that's not good. If this has really helped you, you know, I have 4C hair and my hair has been very manageable. I don't know if you can actually see how moisturized it is. Glammednaturallyoil mango shea butter. It's actually plus the cocoa shea butter. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye.